Yeah.
I mean, talk
Yes.
me through
Yes.
what is a penis pump?
Yeah. So this is a penis pump. And the reason that I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Like,
7
what?
cylinders.
Is this someone's penis?
No, it's penis and testicles. And this is a 2-cylinder system. It's called the Whopper. And partly it's called the Whopper because you put your dick and your balls in here.
Okay.
Not just your dick. But
Okay.
this one you put just your dick in. Does it smell like dick? No.
No.
These are my demos. They don't smell like dick. So the way it works is you use a girth cylinder and a length cylinder. And you actually do 3 sessions of pumping.
Okay.
Every couple of days. You've got to have a rest day. It's like going to the gym.
Right.
And it's the same thing. You're basically it's not muscle hypertrophy. But it is penis enlargement actually does tiny little micro tears to the
It's like
tissue.
working out.
It's just like working out.
It's like
and
you
then
tear and then you get your biceps.
it builds back better. Exactly. And the way it works is you put your testicles and your penis in here flaccid. You pump it up to the right vacuum pressure. You hold it for 10 minutes and release. Massage your penis. Then you put your penis in the smaller cylinder. And there are bigger, smaller cylinders.
Right.
But this is the average is starting with a 2-inch cylinder. That's about 80% of guys. This is where they start.
Okay.
And then as their penis gets thicker and longer, they grow into these bigger and bigger cylinders.
Wow.
And the way that you do it, you get erect the second time, you go in here, you've got to lube it so that your penis can kind of go up. And when you turn on the vacuum, what it does is it takes the air out of the cylinder.
Right.
So it's creating a vacuum in the cylinder. This is around the base of the shaft.
Yeah.
I'd have to manscape.
Yeah.
And then it pulls the blood out of your body and into the penis so that it improves the blood carrying capacity of your penis. When that blood kind of really fills that penis up, it makes capillaries grow into that new tissue that you're creating. And then nerves follow along because they need the innervation, they need the blood supply to grow.
Yeah.
And so you get over time, just like working out, you're using this to pull blood flow in.
Wow.
It's about a 30-minute session, a couple of times a week.
Yeah.
And
it's a commitment. But then you want a bigger penis.
Within 2 weeks,
it's a commitment.
You start to see it working and you're like, oh, okay.
What are we talking about here? Like how much like in size? Because, even for the fillers, right? Like I've had Dr. Josh on here.
Yeah.
He's a renowned
Gonzalez.
urologist in West Hollywood.
Yeah.
And he does those procedures for the injections. And they only grow in girth.
Yes.
And it's like a little bit more. Like it looks a little bit bigger, it looks more firm. What are we talking about here with the penis pump?
Can I show some anatomy?
Yes, please.
Okay. So
This is for educational purposes.
this is what it looks like inside the penis. And how is this on the cameras? Is it going to be good? Am I holding it well?
Okay.
Okay, great. So this is the penis, and it's full of this spongy tissue, the corpus cavernosum and spongiosum. But this little thing is the ligament. So this is the bladder, the prostate, the testicles, the penis. About half of your penis sticks out, half of it goes in and down. And it's really important when we talk about orgasmic activation. I'm going to come back to, remember when I showed you the spongy tissue chambers of the penis? Because we have those spongy tissue chambers in us as well. And that's what helps us come harder, longer, better when they're filled with blood. So this suspensory ligament, the big cylinder kind of tugs on it and you get more drops. So you get length, and the smaller cylinder gives you girth, and all this tissue kind of grows and expands. So you get about 20 to 25% overall growth of penile volume. Your dick gets 20 to 25% bigger, length and girth, from this 2-cylinder system. And it does that in about 10 months to a year of a gentleman who pumps regularly 2 to 3 times a week, half an hour at a session.
So when do you start seeing results?
You start seeing them within 2 weeks. You start seeing that you're girthier, your erection is
just more
firmer.
volume.
more volume. And then over time, you start to see new veins. Like, you know how a veiny dick is hot?
Yeah,
Isn't
a veiny dick. I mean, veiny arms are hot.
Veiny arms are so hot.
Yeah.
And so a veiny dick is even hotter than veiny arms, especially if it's veiny arms and a veiny dick.
Yeah.
So
I'm about veiny arms and veiny dick, guys. We're all on the same page. All the girlies that are listening and watching, we are all on the same page.
exactly. And so it gives you a veinier dick, a harder erection. It reverses atrophy. It reverses early erectile dysfunction because guys' dicks shrink as they age. And so they can pump just to prevent atrophy, or they can keep pumping and pump more often for penis enlargement.
Wow. Wow. You are the first person that has described this in a way that I'm like, okay, I get it now. Because I've had other people that talked about, you know, how to get your penis bigger, and they would mention the pump. But then I'm like, yeah, but how does it actually work? Wow.
Yeah, it's just physiologic. I've helped 20,000 men successfully pump their penis. I've been doing this for 7 years.
Do they all send you a picture like before and after?
I get so
Do you have a before and after?
tons of them. Of course, the one I got yesterday from a lovely man who had a little diabetes, and I was a bit worried that he was not going to have the results. He got great results, which was good, because diabetic neuropathies and diabetic issues can dysregulate the penis, as you know. He sent me a picture yesterday with his dick in the cylinder with a Celsius drink can. Guys,
For size.
Yeah, the ones I really like are when I get the monsters.
Yeah,
the monsters. They're so good, you know? And it's funny, too, because the guys with big dicks, they pump, too. It's not just the guys with... And the guys with little dicks, they're like, I'm only 4 inches. Is it worth it? I'm like, dude, you're going to be 5. That's a medium-sized dick.
20%.
That's pretty good. You should definitely pump. So they pump at all sizes, and they pump forever.
Wow.
There are men who've been pumping for decades.
What?
They got manacondas.
What are some downsides? Like, are there
Zero
side
downsides.
effects?
No.
If used properly,
the only
mindfully, there are no downsides.
There are no downsides.
But the downside is when people are not using it properly.
Yes, they don't know what they're doing.
Like
they're like, I can take it. I'll go up higher. And it's like, it's more just slow, low, let it work, let it do it.
It's like everything else. Like, you have to moderate how you use things, right? Yeah. Okay, cool. Yes. Wow.
Yeah. This was Love Bites. By Dr. Tara. Follow Dr. Tara on social media at lovebites.co. Have an orgasmic day.